Working on the Case 222 today. It isn't running the best. Well, it isn't running hardly at all. I already replaced the fuel line from the fuel tank up here. I put a filter in it up to the fuel pump back up here. I played around with the carburetor a little bit, cleaned it out and everything, and I still can't get it to run good. So I got online and we'll see what some new parts will do here. I'll set this. Let's see here how that looks. Doesn't want to sit there, does it? Set you up there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I think that was just a screwdriver. I got a carburetor. I got a new coil, new spark plug, new... Well, I got a whole pile of new parts. I didn't know what it was. I wasn't guessing anymore. Just figured I'd throw a whole pile of parts on it. And see what happens. And if they work, I'll tell you where I bought them. If it don't, I ain't telling you. That should be the spare. Is this a... Supposed to be a replacement carburetor. This is a Kohler 301. Yeah. K301 Kohler, 12 horse. Brand new carburetor. Probably made in China. Might as well look at the instructions. That actually tells you about carburetor adjustment. And I need that choke plate. So, a couple screwdrivers here. It's got a D10 on it. So I wonder if this new carburetor has plastic floats, or it probably does. It doesn't say. It says about the carburetor adjustments, but it don't say where it's made. Oh yeah, brass float. Well, that's a good deal. They should have some new gaskets. No, well, it ain't in that box. I'll have to look in the other boxes. See if we got any new gaskets with that. Come off of there. That, and then that choke cable can come off with the... When I take the carburetor out, you can take that choke cable off. I can't get my damn hands in there. Oh there, old buddy. Oh there, old buddy. What are you doing? Sneezing away, huh? Hi there, old buddy. Huh. Old Tabby. Huh. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Out nosing around, huh? Alright. What do you think? Hey, we're going to put a new carburetor on this. And, hopefully get the damn thing running. I don't know. That's the plan. Oh, there's the gasket. Alright. That is on the lower hole. Closer to the shaft. Oh, there's still got gas in it. Oh, and the new carburetor. Let's see if they got me some new gaskets. Here's a coil, an air filter, spark plug. Maybe they're in there. Hey, look at there, brand new gaskets. Brand new gaskets. Yep. Well, they don't make it very easy to get the gaskets off. Oh. Or if those have a... Nope. Okay. Got some new gaskets. That was on the lower hole. Get that gasket up there where it's supposed to go. Oh, come on. Get that lined up right. That bolt through there. And the gasket in place. Everything lined up. The bolts don't fit. Are they? Oh yeah. Okay. They fit, but just barely. Well. Well, this would be fun. Trying to get that thing lined up. Alright, take this one out some more in order to get that one in more, I guess. Either that or take them washers off of there. Golly, that's tight. Alright, carburetor snugged up. Hooked the ruffle linkage up. Had to adjust the choke, tighten up the fuel fitting. Now I'm going to possibly put what's that? Oh, that housing's broke anyway. Oh. Now that capacitor is corroded off. The terminal corroded out of the capacitor. So well, boy, that's got to be nice and miserable. Wow. Oh, yeah. That whole damn stud's turning. Well, ain't that grand. Yeah. Well, that's grand. Things ain't going well. Well, if it was a good coil, it's not going to be now. Nope. Let's see how the other side fares. Grand. Yeah, let's hope I got... Nope. Wee little guy, huh? There we are. Oh, that one's going to fall right off, isn't it? Look at there. And that one is a fork. And the other... Oh my. Oh well. Could put my tester on that and test it, but... Not gonna. 4 wrenches. Let's try it. 7/16. Yep. That was in behind that shield. I don't know if that's supposed to be or not. I don't know. And that one was broke. Well, let's see what we got with the new coil. All sorts of connections on there. Where's the capacitor? I mean, in here. Why not? There should have been points and a capacitor in there too. Should have been. Right there. Condenser. Yeah, okay. Points and condenser. Well, the points are alright. I'm not going to put them on right now. And that is a new fuel pump. And I'm going to wait on that too. And we'll see what happens. We'll put a new coil on. See if that thing fits. Barely. Holy nuts. Well, why don't we modify this bracket here? I got the coil on, spark plug wire, condenser. I got my buddy helping me out here. We got to fill the carburetor bowl up with gas. So, kit for go. Well, I'm so tickled with that. Here's where I got all the parts. iSaveTractors.com. And all I put in there was, I went with just not the Case 222 tractor, just with the 12 horse Kohler K301 model, because they put that Kohler in a lot of tractors, so that's what I went with. Good place. And they weren't too bad a price. Ordered them, I don't know, just a couple days ago, and they came. I don't remember where they came from. I don't know if this says. No, that don't say where they came from. How about that? ME. I forget what ME stands for. What state? Somebody will let me know. But, yeah. Didn't use the new Champion spark plug. I'm not a real big fan of Champion spark plug, but get the air filter on it. I'll go out and try it.